Hello students, welcome back. In the previous class we were discuss about angles. We will discuss about angle, types of angle, parts of angle. What is an angle? If you draw two rays, then they meet at a common end point, then it make an angle. The parts of an angle is they have to have two arms and one vertex. Then we discuss types of angle. If the given measurement is less than 90, between 0 to 90, less than 90, then it is called acute angle. If the given measurement is 90 degree, angle is 90 degree, then it is called a right angle. Then more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it is called obtuse angle. Then we discuss about straight angle. 180 degree angles are called straight angle. Then more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, that is called reflex angle. First one acute, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle and acute angle. And today we are going to discuss how to draw an angle using the given measurement. How to draw. Today we are going to discuss measuring and drawing an angle using a protractor. Here we use one mathematical thing, that is protractor. An angle is measured in degrees using an instrument called protractor. The symbol of degree is degree. How we write degree? One small 0. We write the upper, that is called degree. And here they gave the picture of protractor. Here we can see two scales. First one is inner scale and second one is outer scale. This one is the outer scale, and this one, that is called the inner scale. Then you can see one baseline. This is the baseline. Then the center. This one is the center. So in the protractor there are four things. First one is outer scale, and then inner scale, baseline and center. Here we need to draw angle AOC with 60 degree. We need to draw angle AOC 60 degree. Here we know O is the vertex of this angle and OA and OC are the arms of this angle. OA and OC are the arms of the angle and O is the vertex. So first we draw one of this arm. Here we are going to draw OA. So draw a ray OA. It is the OA. Then place the baseline of the protractor on this ray OA in such a way that the center of the baseline lies exactly in the vertex. Once more I will tell. How will you place this protractor? First is the baseline of the protractor on ray OA. Here the arm or ray OA in such a way that the center of the protractor exactly over the vertex O. Now here, then start measuring from the 0. Here 0 is in the inner scale, so start from here. Where is 60? 60 is here. So start measuring. It is the 60 degree and we can name it as OC. This is the angle, that is 60 degree. So here we can say angle AOC equal 60 degree. How do you draw this one? First we need to draw one of the arm. Here we draw OA. Then place the baseline of the protractor over the arm OA in such a way that the center of the baseline lies exactly over the vertex O. Then start measuring from the 0. Where you find the angle 60, stop there, then connect that 2 points. Next question, we need to draw angle BOD with 120 degree. Here O is the vertex and OB and OD are the arms. First we draw the one of the arm. Here we draw OB and name it as OB. Then place the baseline of the protractor over this line OB. Then next step, what is the next step? Start counting from the 0. Start measuring from the 0. Here 0 is here. It is in the inner circle, and look where is 120 degree. Where is 120 degree? Here we can see 120 degree. Then join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Now we got the angle BOD with 120 degree. First we place the baseline of the protractor over the arm OB in such a way that center of the baseline lies exactly over the vertex. Then start measuring from 0. Here it is in the inner circle. So start from the 0 and look where is 120 degree. Point out this, that one. Then connect the point and the vertex. Then we got this second arm. Here it is OD. Now we got the angle DOB or BOD with 120 degree. Drawing an angle using a protractor. Here we need to draw angle OAC with 65 degree. First we draw one of the arm. Here we draw OC. Then next step is place the protractor baseline over this arm OC in such a way that the center of the baseline lies exactly over the vertex O. Then what we do? Here it is in the 0 is here in the right side. So start counting from 0 to where up to 65 degree. Start counting from here. Where is 65? Here is the 65. So what we do? Point there. We place one point over there. Then connect that to with the second arm OA. Now we got the angle AOC or COA with 65 degree. Next question, draw angle AOC with 120 degree. We need to draw angle AOC with 120 degree. First we draw one of the arm. Here we draw OA. Then place the baseline of the protractor over the arm OA in such a way that the center of the baseline lies exactly over the vertex. Then what we do? Then start counting from the right side. Here where is 120? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. Here we can see 120, but it is start from here. We are not considering this 120, we are only considering the inner scale. Inner scale 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 up to 120. Here is the 120. So place one point there. We place one point. Then connect that point and the vertex with the arm OC. Now we got the angle OCOA, or we can say angle AOC with 120 degree. Today we discussed how to draw an angle using protractor. What we do? First we need to draw the one of its arm, then place the baseline of the protractor on ray in such a way that the center of the baseline exactly over the vertex of the angle. Then finally connect, then start counting, measuring from 0, then point out where is that degree, then connect that to that point and vertex with the second arm. Here is your homework question. Let us try 3.3. Question number 3 is the homework. Okay, today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.